Okay, right now I turn off. Okay, and then push the start button. Okay, the vehicle is turned on, and then I run. Okay, see, okay, it's running. Okay, now, so if I turn on the alarm, see, it's right away, it's turned off. Okay, now let's say somebody want to steal the bike. Okay, the alarm turn on. Okay, okay, so this is the safety features. But of course, now if you want to use the key, okay, now let's say now I turn off the alarm. Okay, I put the key. Okay, it's on. Okay, and then you can run. Okay, right. Okay, so this is two way you can start this bikes.